What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to open a new terminal in Visual Studio Code. So by default, if you open a new terminal, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Just go to terminal up here and then just click new terminal, and you can do control shift and tilde as a keyboard shortcut to open it faster. But yeah, if you open one, by default it will give you a Windows PowerShell. So if this is not the terminal that you want, what you can do is just open a brand new one and select whatever type you want. So let's say I want a command prompt. I can just select that, and now I have two of them open. I have a PowerShell and a command prompt one. Excuse me. So let's say I don't want the PowerShell one anymore. I can just kill it. I can just delete it. And then let's say I want to get bash. Simple as that. I just open a new one and now I have git bash, and let's say I want another PowerShell, so I can just keep doing this all day long, right? I have a bunch of terminals here now, and let's say I want to view some side by side. So what's cool about this is Visual Studio Code does give you a way how to do this. You can just click split, and it's just gonna split now a git bash with a PowerShell, and that's pretty cool. So let me see, I don't need this guy anymore, and now I have them side by side. Same thing for CMD. If I click here, it's going to give me another PowerShell one. Boom, just like that. Yep, so now I have them side by side, and this is a cool feature if your app is very terminal heavy. I mean, if there's no user interface, it's going to be terminal heavy. So yeah, cool stuff. That's how you do it in Visual Studio Code. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.